简单实用口语句子。Take it easy. Take it easy. 别紧张。What a pity. What a pity. 太遗憾了。Anything else? Anything else? 还有别的吗？ Be careful. Be careful. 小心点。Do me a favor. Do me a favor. 帮个忙好吗？ Help yourself. Help yourself. 别客气。I'm on a diet. 我在节食。Keep in touch. Keep in touch. 保持联络。Time is money. Time is money. 时间就是金钱。Who's calling? Who's calling? 是哪位啊？ You did right. You did right. 你做得对。You set me up. You set me up. 你出卖我。Can I help you? Can I help you? 我能帮你吗？ Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. 祝你玩得开心。Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. 对不起，先生，打扰一下。Give me a hand. Give me a hand. 帮帮我。How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? 怎么样？I have no idea.